present over here. Today I am here to speak a few words about Muharram. Muharram is the first month of the Islamic calendar. It is one of the most important and sacred months for Muslims. This month is not a time for celebration. Instead, it's a time for remembrance and mourning. On the 10th day of Muharram, called Ashura, Muslims remember the great sacrifice of the Imam Hussein, the grandson of Prophet Muhammad, who stood up for truth and justice and was killed in the Battle of Karbala, along with his friends and family. People take part in processions, listen to the stories of Karbala, pray for peace and kindness. Many of them fast on these days to show respect and to seek blessings. Muharram teaches us to be brave, to speak the truth and to stand against injustice even if it's difficult. Thank you and have a peaceful day ahead.